Welcome back, riders. In today's video, we're taking a deep dive into the highly anticipated 2025 Yamaha YZ450F, the latest iteration of Yamaha's legendary 450cc motocross bike. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior, this bike promises to deliver performance, precision, and power. Let's break it down. Engine and performance. First up, let's talk about what's under the hood. The 2025 YZ450F is powered by a liquid-cooled 449cc DOHC single-cylinder engine. Yamaha has refined the power delivery, offering a smooth yet aggressive throttle response that's perfect for tackling tough motocross tracks. The engine feels incredibly responsive, thanks to the optimized fuel injection system, ensuring quick throttle response with minimal lag. Design and ergonomics. Aesthetic-wise, the 2025 YZ450F maintains its aggressive yet sleek look, with updated graphics and a sharper overall design. The redesigned bodywork is more streamlined, improving aerodynamics and rider comfort. The seat has been slightly reshaped for better comfort during long motos, and the footpeg position is optimized to give riders more control, especially during aggressive cornering. Technology. The 2025 YZ450F doesn't just perform well, it's also packed with cutting-edge tech. The Power Tuner app is now more user-friendly than ever, allowing real-time engine mapping adjustments. You can also fine-tune things like throttle response, engine braking, and traction control directly from your smartphone. Final thoughts. So, is the 2025 Yamaha YZ450F worth the hype? Absolutely. With its refined engine, improved suspension, sleek design, and tech advancements, this bike is built for riders who want the best of both worlds: power and precision. Whether you're a professional racer or a passionate motocross enthusiast, the YZ450F delivers a riding experience that's hard to beat. Outro. That's all for today's review of the 2025 Yamaha YZ450F. Be sure to check out our other videos for more in-depth reviews and motocross tips. See you next time.